Hello guys and welcome back to our class. You have decided to do option 1 about me, which means that you want to do the virtual locker. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own virtual locker. Make sure that you look through the list of things that you can include in there. It has to be at least 3 things. Scroll all the way down so you can get yourself familiar with the rubric. This is how we will be grading. And also, after you've created your locker, you will be required to make a Flipgrid explaining why you chose those things, why you like what you put in your locker. Now scroll back up and you're gonna see my template, Miss Alanis Virtual Locker. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up. That is an example of how your virtual locker will look like. Make sure that you include all the good stuff about you that you want us to know. And you don't have to use Bitmojis. That is completely up to you. You can use your own photos if you wish to do so. Make sure that you click over to that blank locker. That is where you will be doing all the work. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to include pictures into your locker. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and open a new tab. And we are going to search for pictures. I already have Jurassic Park, the movie here. If that is one of your favorite movies, whatever movie, whatever you want to include, chocolate, theme parks, just put that search. And then, I apologize for the delay. You can go ahead and click over to images and you can scroll down and see which one you will prefer to use in your presentation. Go ahead and click on over, go over to the one you like, right click on the image, right click on the image, and a menu should pop up for you to copy image, and then you will go back to your virtual locker and right click over that image and paste it. Once your image is there, you can resize it and put it wherever you would like to. You can go back and forth between my slide and your slide if you want to remind yourself of what you can include. If you want to select something, you simply click over that image and you can again resize it, move it around, rotate it, whatever you feel like doing to it. You can go ahead and use all of those options. So once again, I want to include something else. I will go over to my tab. Let's find popcorn. Popcorn. If you like popcorn, your favorite snack, pick the picture that you like the best, right click over it. This menu will pop up. Scroll down to copy image. Then we will go back to our presentation. And once again, make sure you're on the slide where you want to paste, right click, and make that selection. And it's as simple as that. I'm gonna make sure that I selected that picture so I can move it around. See, if I don't select the right picture, that's what happens. I can just undo that, reposition it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it around, move this one around, and you can just play with it, resize it. But that is how simple it is to create your own locker. So get creative. I can't wait to see what all of you come up with and to get to know you better. This will automatically save, so then you can use it to make your Flipgrid Check out the next video so you will know what to do for that step. Don't forget to turn in those assignments. Bye.